here's another crazy fact video, and we are going to do facts about the human body. So I love human body facts. I think they're the best category of random facts. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you a ton of crazy human body facts, and my disclaimer, there's always facts in this that are like not super correct or like totally wrong, so I'm sorry if some of these are inaccurate. Feel free to correct me or like explain what's actually right. But yeah, so let's get started with some crazy facts about human bodies. Your fingernails grow 4 times as fast as your toenails. I believe it. I like never clip my toenails, but I always have to clip my fingernails. Babies are born with 300 bones. Adults have 206. I knew that. Eyelashes last about 150 days. Eyelashes last 150 days. I don't think mine do. I lose eyelashes all the time. The heart circulates blood throughout your body about 1,000 times each day. You make about half a quart of spit each day, or 500 milliliters. 500 milliliters of spit. Ew. Your blood has the same amount of salt in it as the ocean does. A sneeze blows air out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. That's fast. You are taller in the morning than you are at night. Humans are the only animals that shed tears when upset. Many more boys than girls are colorblind. Ooh, there's an opportunity for me to flex my genetics knowledge. That's because the gene for colorblindness is on the X chromosome, and boys only have one X chromosome and girls have 2. And so, if a boy inherits a copy of the colorblindness gene on his X chromosome, he's going to be colorblind. Whereas a girl, if she inherits a copy of the gene, like, she has 2 copies. So if one of them is normal, then she won't have colorblindness, even though she has one colorblindness gene. Fun fact. Maybe more of these will give me an opportunity to like show my genetics knowledge. Children have more taste buds than adults do. Maybe that's why kids are so picky. Got allergies. Your sensitivity to certain allergies may be connected to your birth weight. For each kilogram increase in birth weight, infants had 44% increased risk of childhood food allergies. Greater birth weight meant more allergies. That's interesting. I was a fat baby and I don't have any food allergies, so I don't know. Let me know if that's true in the comments. honestly think it'd be greater than that. I don't know. Your body produces enough heat in 30 minutes to boil half a gallon of water. I don't even know what that means. Like, obviously I couldn't just like boil, I don't know. It's weird. Humans have 46 chromosomes. Meanwhile, bees have 14 and crayfish have 200. I don't know if that's talking about pairs. We have 23 pairs of chromosomes. I think bees have 14 pairs, so 28 chromosomes. But yeah, it's always crazy, like, how different species have different numbers of chromosomes. Crayfish have 200. That's crazy. Man. A quarter of human bones are found in the feet. The average human foot has 26 bones. Wow. Identical twins have an identical smell. Everyone has a unique smell except for identical twins. That's so cool. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. Yeah. It says that we're closely genetically related to bananas and slugs, sharing up to 70% of DNA. Yep. Most people produce enough saliva in their lifetimes to fill 2 swimming pools. Man. In most people, the left lung is 10% smaller than the right lung. I think that's because of your heart. I think your left lung has fewer lobes than your right lung because of your heart. But I could be totally wrong. I'm not sure. The human brain operates on 12 to 25 watts of power. This can power a small LED light bulb. Again, I don't get what that, like, I guess it's just like the same amount of energy. Yeah. Human noses can remember 50,000 different scents. Still, the human nose is not nearly as powerful as that of a dog's, whose sense of smell is said to be 1,000 to 10,000 times better than ours. Yeah, we learned about that in genetics too. I think it's like a mouse that actually has way better scent than a dog. It's just that like mouse would make better mice would make better like drug sniffers, but they don't live long enough for us to like train them and then actually get use out of them. Like they just don't live long enough for that. So yeah, kind of interesting. Our brains don't feel pain. We have pain receptors and process pain signals in our brains, but the brain itself does not feel pain. I know that from Grey's Anatomy, where they like do awake brain surgery on somebody. The tongue is the strongest muscle in the entire body. How is that tested? I don't think my tongue can like pick up a person. I don't know. Your fluid levels can drop by 2 to 3% of your body weight before you even notice that you're thirsty. % of your fluids are gained through water-rich foods. supposed to drink. It's like your body weight in pounds or something is like how many ounces you're supposed to drink. Your body weight in pounds minus something, because that would be too much. I don't know. Okay. Exercise is great for the skin. Your skin needs antioxidants to repair cell damage done by free radicals. Regular, moderate exercise can signal your body to produce more natural antioxidants that protect your skin cells. That's cool. I wonder if that actually reduces skin cancer, because I'm pretty sure free radicals have to do with skin cancer. I don't know. Music is proven to improve workout performance. It doesn't just make you feel good. Listening to music while working out can improve your performance by 15%. I actually never listen to music when I'm working out, or sometimes, but I believe it because I feel like it gets you more in the mood, which increases your performance. Your eyes blink around 20 times a minute. That's over 10 million times a year. 20 times a minute. That's like once every 3 seconds. Okay. Your ears never stop growing. Really? Wait, what? How's that possible? I guess, do old people have really big ears? I don't know. Earwax is actually a type of sweat. Okay. The tongue is covered in about 8,000 taste buds, each containing up to 100 cells helping you taste your food. 8,000 taste buds. I wonder if I only have 4,000, because I can't feel the right side of my tongue. If you've been here for a while, you might know that the right side of my tongue is completely numb. So I guess I'm only using 4,000 of my taste buds. The average nose produces a cup full of nasal mucus every day. Where does it go? What? Where does all that mucus go? If you walked for 12 hours a day, it would take the average person 690 days to walk around the world. That's honestly not, well, I mean, it's a lot, but the fact that you could potentially walk all the way around the world in 2 years. The entire surface of your skin is replaced every month, which put another way means you have about 1,000 different skins in your life. Cool. The body has 2.5 million sweat pores. I feel like I'm making so many faces. Why are all these gross? They're about sweat and earwax. If you live to age 70, your heart will have beat around 2.5 billion times. Nice. Spread across their lifetime, most people spend an average of 1 whole year sitting on the toilet. Honestly, it seems like it would almost be more than that. I mean, if you spend a half hour a day sitting on the toilet, that's, no, varies so much person to person, though. Embryos develop fingerprints 3 months after conception. That seems so early. That's like 12 weeks. Wow. That's honestly sad when you think about like abortion. That a baby has fingerprints at 3 months. Hearts can beat outside of their bodies. I feel like I knew that from Grey's Anatomy. When you blush, the inside of your stomach does too. I think I've heard that fact. Humans have a diving reflex that shuts down bodily functions when submerged in water to prevent drowning. Interesting. I don't even get what that means. Shuts down bodily functions when submerged in water. Maybe like to preserve energy for like keeping you alive. I don't know. There are certain kinds of tumors that can grow their own teeth and hair. I knew that too. I might have known it from Grey's Anatomy. They're called teratomas. Yeah, pretty crazy. Humans are bioluminescent. The light just isn't perceptible to the human eye. I think that means like we glow in the dark, but we just can't see it. Astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller in space. Makes sense. Your brain can survive for 5 to 10 minutes without oxygen. 5 to 10 minutes. Wow. In cases of extreme starvation, the brain will begin to eat itself. I feel like that would be like the last thing that your body should eat. Like, I don't know. You should eat other stuff. While listening to music, your heartbeat will sync with the rhythm. That's cool. Your heartbeat. The small intestine is roughly 23 feet long. Every organ you have 2 of, you only need 1 of to survive. Yeah. Is there anything other than the kidney that we have 2 of? I'm probably being stupid. Is there something else? Lungs. Yeah, I guess you only need 1. There are more than 100,000 miles of blood vessels in your body. Maybe there will be a fact about why your stomach growls, because I don't know if you just heard my stomach, but you can't breathe and swallow at the same time. They're so right, you can't. That's cool. Your left kidney is higher up than your right kidney. Okay. Pregnancy brain is totally real. Women's brains actually shrink during pregnancy. If you smoothed out all the wrinkles of your brain, it would lay flat the size of a pillowcase. Whoa. Stomach acid can dissolve metal. If it touched your skin, it would burn right That's something I don't get, is like, how does stomach acid not just burn through your stomach? I mean, I know there's like stuff that makes that not happen, but I don't know. At some point, you may have fought cancer. I think that's talking about the fact that like mutations are happening in your DNA all the time, and your body just has good mechanisms to fix those, but like they could be cancer if they're not fixed. So you've probably had a cancer cell in your body. It's just that like your DNA was repaired. Tongue prints are as unique as fingerprints. Babies only blink once or twice a minute, while average adults average 10 times a minute. Once or twice a minute? Really? I've never, like, been around a baby. I've never held a baby. That's a fun fact. The jaw muscle is the strongest in the human body. We just learned that the tongue was the strongest in the human body. I don't know. It's either the tongue or the jaw muscle, but I don't know. In camera terms, the human eye is about 576 megapixels. You carry, on average, about 4 pounds of bacteria around in your body. So I can just subtract 4 pounds from my weight, because, like, that's not even me. The highest recorded fever ever was 115 degrees Fahrenheit. 115 degrees Fahrenheit. I wonder if the person lived. Probably not. 50% of your hand strength comes from your pinky finger. These are so cool. Although, I don't know if any of these are even right. But, like, that's cool. I'm not gonna read that one. Okay. Cornflakes have more genes than people do. Okay. I guess it's talking about corn, because corn, I think, has more genes. Most plants have like a ton of genes, like wheat and corn and stuff have so many chromosomes and genes. Humans can't digest grass, despite health fanatics claiming wheatgrass aids digestion. Humans would actually need several more stomachs to digest it, like cows have. Good to know. It's a stomach growling fact. The scientific name for stomach growls is Borborygmus. Borborygmus. I can't believe we got a stomach growling fact. If you've been around, you know that my stomach loves to make an appearance in all of my ASMR videos. That's cool. Borborygmus. I want a fact about why stomachs growl, because I don't think I really understand that. But let's see. Your mom impacts the bacteria in your mouth. At any given time, there are over 700 different species of bacteria living in your mouth, which scientists call the oral microbiome. The makeup of a baby's oral microbiome at birth is largely determined by the mother's oral health, as any oral mother's oral health. Dang. I guess it makes sense because, like when a baby, or like when the mom eats, it goes through the umbilical cord to the baby. So, like, it makes sense that that would happen. But, that's cool. My mom's a dental hygienist, so I probably got great oral bacteria because my mom brushes her teeth 17 times a day. So. One of the weird facts about the human body is that our lungs are the only organs that float in water. That's kind of cool. Coughing and sneezing is the natural mechanism of your body to keep away any foreign substances. I knew that. Whenever we eat something, the esophagus acts like a giant wave, which is known as a peristalsis. Peristalsis. A bond exists between the digestive system and your brain, known as the gut-brain axis. So any stress or brain disorders can affect the way your body digests food. Yeah, I think it also affects. It's like people that have neurological disorders can also have like digestive disorders because of that, the gut-brain axis. Ever wondered why a fart smells bad? Because of the fermented bacteria that are present, which are later mixed with air. Good to know. A weird fact about the human body is that hiccups occur when the temperature changes. That's cool. The density of the brain keeps increasing because of new neuronal connections that occur because the brain's structure constantly keeps changing. Once you reach the age of 20, you start losing neurons, and by the time you turn 75, at least 1/10 of the neurons are gone. 1/10. Wow. That's ridiculous. The biggest joint in your body is the knee. The human reproductive system contains the smallest and the largest human cells. I feel like an egg cell is probably the largest human cell, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. A man produces more than 500 know if you want to see other fact videos. I usually get requests to do trivia question videos, but like, let me know if